everyone, and thank you for tuning in. This is our 3-part series to all of our products in our skincare line, Raw Cut Soaps Co. In this video, we will be going over our face and body oils. Enjoy! Today we're doing the second part of the benefits of Raw Cut Soaps Co. products with our toners and oils that we have a part of our line. So I'll be going over 3 of those products that I've just listed and going over the ingredients and the benefits and when to use these products. The first face and body oil that we have is the Repair and Glow oil. So the Repair and Glow oil will be your daytime oil. This is what you use as soon as you wake up in the morning. Say you used our lavender and turmeric to wash your face, and you also use our konjac sponge to be able to lightly exfoliate with the soap. After using that, you would use your Repair and Glow oil to help to moisturize and hydrate the skin. This particular face and body oil does not have any scents in it, no essential oils, and it's perfect for everyday use. If you need very hydrating products because you suffer from dry skin, you may have eczema or very sensitive skin, this is a great alternative for using any moisturizers that are really high in certain chemicals. It's all natural ingredients, and I can actually go over the ingredients. Our first ingredient is sunflower oil. We have grapeseed oil, rice bran oil, olive oil, vegetable glycerin, rose water. I wanted to make sure to add a humectant like vegetable glycerin because sometimes a lot of the face and body oils that we purchase, they don't have an ingredient or a humectant in our products, and these oils only just sit on top of the skin. They're not able to penetrate and make a big difference. The reason because of that is because that product lacks a humectant, which actually brings the water and oil together to be able to penetrate into the skin. Honestly, I use this every single day. There's not one day that I do not use this product, mainly because after I wash my face, because I have chronic eczema, I need to use something that's very, very moisturizing and hydrating, and this is my favorite go-to. Now, pardon that some of the labeling has come off. This is the particular one that I let people test when I'm doing pop-up shops and things in that nature, so don't mind that. I would like to add that even though this product contains rose water and oil, people would say that water and oil don't mix because they don't, but because there is a humectant ingredient in here, these 2 ingredients are able to come together and be able to work together and penetrate into the skin. Honestly, this is great for if you have dry patches, your face gets very tight and stiff after you get out the shower. And it's great for evening skin tone and evening texture in the skin as well. So this is a highly recommended face and body oil. I specifically use it in the daytime. You can use this day and night, but I do have a nighttime oil as well. Speaking of nighttime oil, here we have our Target and Heal oil. So this Target and Heal oil is one of the most popular oils other than my Repair and Glow oil, but this is the second part to your experience when it comes to our face and body oils. It has an ingredient of rosemary essential oil, and it helps to open sinuses and also help with stress, and it's a great aid for aromatherapy. Particularly me per se, I wouldn't want that essential oil scent on me in the beginning of my day, so I like to use this to wind down along with my lavender and turmeric soap at the end of the day. Now, because this has rosemary essential oil in it, it's very, very beneficial when you have any breakouts. Hence, Target and Heal. The ingredients in this face and body oil is sunflower oil, rice bran oil, vegetable glycerin, aloe vera, rose water, and rosemary essential oil. Almost similar to Repair and Glow, but because it has this very potent and beautiful essential oil, which is rosemary oil, you see a lot of benefits. I want to also add that using natural ingredients sometimes take a little longer to see benefits because you're going through a natural healing process. Using natural products, it's important to remember that because you're using natural products, your healing time may take a little longer versus using products high in chemicals. A lot of chemicals react really faster and they're more aggressive, and this is why you see skin to heal faster with certain products. With Raw Cut Soaps Co., we stand to use natural skincare products, which gives you a natural healing process, and that might take a little longer. We're getting our body used to using these natural ingredients, and so the body adapts, and it takes a little while to adapt, but at the same time you do see beneficial improved results. But it's just great to keep in mind that with Target and Heal, you may start to see results around 2 weeks in using. Just wanted to throw that little disclaimer out there for y'all. This is a great supplement. If you don't want to use Repair and Glow, you can actually use this in the morning as well. It's up to you. And I do have one customer who's left me a video review about this product.
This one product has changed my skincare routine entirely. This is Raw Cut Soaps Target and Heal Face and Body Oil. And when I tell you, my skin is brighter, more refreshed, and I haven't seen any breakouts on my face since May. And I'm very shocked. If you guys haven't tried this product, you need to go ahead and shop with Raw Cut Soap. I'm going to show you my progress. I bought this product back in May of 2021. We're now in November, so this is going to be a 6-month transformation. So this is the right side of my face. As you can see, a lot of hyperpigmentation here. We got some breakouts right here, a couple breakouts over there. Overall, it's not giving, not looking healthy. There is no glow, there is no moisture. It's just not. Okay, so this is in August. As you can see, my breakouts are still there. I still have some hyperpigmentation, but I will say that I did notice my skin was feeling smoother. It may not have looked smooth, but it was feeling smooth to me. So this is in August. Here we are in November, so you can see my skin is less hyperpigmentation all on this side. I do have some scarring here, and those are like the oldest scars that I have, so I know it's going to take a little more time, but that's okay, because overall, so this is the other side of my face. You can see hyperpigmentation again. We got some breakouts, not looking glowy at all, dry, just not giving. This is in August. On this side, it started feeling more smooth and I started seeing less breakouts. And here we are in November. Here she is. So I do have some hyperpigmentation here at the end, but again, these are like my oldest scars, but I could feel the product working throughout my skin. So I can just overall feel the difference and I can see the difference. To apply it, shake it up, really good. Then I literally take it and I do 3 drops, and I like to apply it and pulling it up, and I just go in circles, really smooth on my face, very gentle. And I like to just make sure I target the areas that I have problems, and it smells so good. It smells so good. And also, you know, around the eye area, just making sure to constantly lift the skin up, because we're not trying to age, sis. Okay? We don't want to age ourselves. So you want to make sure your skin stays tight and you pull it in an upward motion. Overall, I love the product. I have added this to my routine and it's the best selling. I use it after my serums. It's amazing. Love it.
Last but not least, we have our rose water and aloe vera toner. This toner I made because there was a lot of toners that I found out there that were missing certain key calming ingredients, and I wanted my customers to experience the benefits of natural soap and oils, but also understand the importance of using toner. The reason why we use toner is because we have to neutralize our pH balance. It's very important that we're using toner to help level out and balance the scales of our pH, because it can lead to unwanted, unnecessary breakouts. The ingredients that are in the Raw Cut Soaps Co. Rose Water and Aloe Vera Toner is witch hazel, aloe vera, rose water, sunflower oil, rosemary essential oil, and Egyptian geranium essential oil. Yes, so there's 2 different essential oils in this toner, but they're both targeted to make sure that it's killing any bacteria. So this is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial toner. So if you suffer from acne and you suffer from breakouts or even hormonal breakouts, this is a good natural remedy that's very gentle on the skin as well. The essential oils like Egyptian geranium essential oil and rosemary essential oil work together to kill bacteria on and under the skin. It's best to use this toner also every day, but I also like to use this toner after a deep cleanse. So I would use my lavender and turmeric or honey, almond milk and oats, or even my complete mix soap. I use that with a konjac green tea infused sponge. I will go over that in my skincare tools of Raw Cut Soaps Co., which is episode 3. And after I go in with the light exfoliation, I would then use my toner and then one of my face and body oils, either Repair and Glow oil or Target and Heal. So I like to use either or, but I always make sure to use my toner. Sometimes there may be moments where I take breaks from using toner, only because I'm just watching how my skin reacts to the seasons, any hormonal problems I may be having throughout the month, and my diet. So if I see that my skin isn't really breaking out often or anything like that, sometimes I will stay away from the toner just to give my skin a break sometimes. So it's up to you as you take care and you go through your skin regimens. It's up to you to make sure that you're watching your skin's progress and you're seeing what's going in and going out and what you can take out and put in throughout your skin journey. So also wanted to add that. Well, that concludes our face and body oils and toners for Raw Cut Soaps Co. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, take care. Peace.